What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to be going over what's Wall Street Bets doing. Are they actually going crypto? Check it out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. You know that Wall Street Bets has been like just non-stop, banned from Reddit temporarily. They've been banned from Discord. It's just like so much hype that you're trying to control it so much. Just the powers that be. And there's been a whole lot of stuff like that going on, and we've seen it. I've even covered some of it on my channel here. You guys, we've conversed about it in the comment section. Now, it's something that we know that can happen, right? Because these places are owned by specific groups, and it's their own private like tools or businesses. They can, regulate who uses them. So we understand that. That's just the way it is, the nature of the beast to a degree. So what's the answer to that, you might ask? Well, the blockchain. That's right. The blockchain, decentralizing the communications platform, right? So that no one person owns the entire thing. Therefore, they just can't be banned. And how can they accomplish that? Well, we're going to jump into this video here where somebody thinks they found the answer. And before we do, I need you to do me a quick favor. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you're alerted next time I upload my next video. Also, check out the link in the description section below. You can join me in the daytraderchatroom.com for 5 days for just $5 and test this out. Or you can download the free course. It's right down there as well. And last but not least, you can download Webull. Just fund the account with $100. You get 2 free stocks. Now let's go ahead and jump into this video. Here we go.
So Wall Street Bets is banned from like almost every platform they touch: Reddit, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, because none of them want them to win. But what if they build their own?
I guess it's possible, right? And it could be true that their connections won't allow them to win, and they want to try to control those areas. But I don't think they're banned from Reddit. I'm pretty sure Wall Street Bets is still rocking and rolling on Reddit.
Platform completely decentralized where they could share their own opinions without ever being censored. Well, they're building it, and it's a crypto platform that no one knows about. Let me show you guys. So check this out. It's time to decentralize Wall Street Bets.
Let's look at that. So it says there it's Wall Street Bets. That's their Twitter. It's time to decentralize Wall Street Bets. If you understand, decentralize WSB.com / hashtag Bitcoin. Then you have like a little GIF there. GIF. How do you pronounce that? GIF? Somebody let me know in the comment section, please, because I've been struggling with that for years.
Hashtag Bitcoin, and they have a website. And this is the website, decentralized WSB. It's time to decentralize Wall Street Bets, and you read.
Let's try to read that.
You read they want decentralization.
Time to build a new Wall Street Bets, a decentralized version powered by smart contracts. Here, no one, not the mods, not Reddit, own the platform.
Right here. A decentralized version powered by smart contracts where no one owns the platform. That's literally crypto. So Zero Exchange.
So here's that Zero Exchange. Here's their Twitter official @official Zero Dex, DEX. And here you go, right? Yes, we're talking about our first IDO partner, and we made it just a little clearer for you. Take a closer look. I mean, guys, you can see what it is. Come on. You can see what it is.
Partner allowing a project to release with the help of Zero Exchange. Who could it be?
Look at the logo. Look at this. Come on, look at the little blonde hair and the little hand. He's like, or however, what's the thing? Let's find out. There he is.
What is that? Tell me it does not look like this. Not announced yet officially. It's a
diamond hands. The diamond hands are coming to crypto. Look, realistically speaking, the best way to be decentralized is via blockchain. Just got to make sure it's on a project that's truly decentralized and not one that's controlled or owned by one person. That's just the nature of the beast when it comes to blockchain. There's a lot of blockchain out there that you might think is decentralized, but isn't. I don't know anything about that chain, about that blockchain, so it's something, you know, I'd have to look into to see if they truly are decentralized. And this could be the beginning where we start to see more mainstream type platforms transition into blockchain, so that the community itself is decentralized and more, I see it more of a free internet. If you've paid attention at all, the internet is being controlled a lot more. You're seeing a lot more of people and governments trying to control what you can and cannot say on the internet, right? And that's a slippery slope. Slippery slope, right? So they're trying to do that on a lot of different internet platforms. And yes, of course, places like, well, depending, right? Places like Facebook, whether they're publisher or not, they got to figure that one out, and it's got to be said and clear, because if it's a private platform, private business, not publisher of information, etc., then they can control the language on that platform, right? Because it is privately held, etc. That's why the blockchain, where no one's going to own the platform itself, and it's just going to be a community of people. Think of it as like gathering outside with a bunch of people, you know, a bunch of friends and a bunch of like-minded individuals talking about ideas and sharing it without any reprimand for the speech used. That's what could be expected there if that blockchain is truly decentralized. In that case, then the community could get in there, talk about whatever they're going to talk about, their GMEs, their diamond hands, their AMCs, their crazy fraud of the money call options, same day expirations, whatever it is, right, that they're going to talk about, it could be decentralized and not controlled. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens moving forward with that, if it does in fact develop into a new Wall Street Bets type of forum where people are going to be able to talk and no one has any control over any one person, right? Or any one thread or any one topic. No one owns it. No one owns it, so the community itself has to come together and basically mod themselves. All right, guys, so here you go. Wall Street Bets 2.0 launching on-chain investment pool. The Reddit group behind GameStop stock short squeeze. Ha! Try to say that 3 times fast. GameStop stock. Short squeeze is decentralizing. Key takeaways. A group of moderators from Wall Street Bets subreddit have announced their plans to launch Wall Street Bets 2.0 on a blockchain. The new version will discuss tips, pool investments, and place bets based on community votes. The reason for the shift is to achieve freedom from centralized governments and privately owned online platforms. A group of moderators from the now infamous subreddit Wall Street Bets have announced their plans to launch a decentralized pool of investors to be on stock built using smart contracts. On stocks built using smart contracts. DeFi pools competing against hedge funds. Wall Street Bets is launching a DeFi pool called Wall Street Bets 2.0. The pool launched by moderators of Wall Street Bets subreddit is to pool their money together to have more power and influence in the market than the largest hedge funds. The group will pilot a smart contract built pool targeting short orders from hedge funds. The smart contract will be public, audited, and immutable code. In their wildly publicized GameStop campaign, users of the Wall Street Bets forum led a bid to pump the GME stock over 1,900% in January. The price rally caused liquidations from Melvin Capital and various other funds that had taken short positions. However, as the market turned to frenzy, platforms like Robinhood took the decision to halt trading on GME, Doge, and other crypto assets. The group turned to Doge following the GME rally. There was also a legal hearing after the incident where Reddit user Roaring Kitty and others testified. Thus, the decision to use blockchain for decentralization is motivated by a need for autonomy. The description on Wall Street Bets 2.0 website reads, "It's time to stop using a broken financial system that is archaic, and It is time to stop using a broken financial system that is archaic and inefficient. It is time to decentralize." According to the moderators, the move into DeFi will allow them to time entry and exits from stocks in an orderly manner and help prevent investors from facing bag holding. Nonetheless, a few community members are apparently split between decentralization proponents and some remaining mods who reject the idea. the team has not yet confirmed the platform on which Wall Street Bets 2.0 will launch. CEO Sam Bankman, CEO of FTX Exchange and quantitative trading outfit Alameda Research, suggesting launching on Solana. Bankman Fried has been a heavy advocate for the layer 1 blockchain and its surrounding ecosystem. So guys, it's one of those things where apparently it's still up in the air, right? Will they go one way? Will they go the other? The point is that they're really looking to decentralize. And I think at the end, that's what is going to give them the autonomy they're looking for. Let me know your thoughts. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit that notification bell and I'll catch you on the next one.